What is maroof? Maroof is that which is generally known to be good. Maroof, something which is recognized. Maroof. Munkar, which you don't recognize. What does it mean? That human nature recognizes good and it refrains from something evil. This is ingrained in human nature, and that is what I said. Human nature has the knowledge of evil and good. فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا. So neki, bir, virtue, good, this is known thing. Human nature is attracted towards it, and human nature refrains from, hates something which is evil, and that is munkar. Munkar is something that is not liked, which is very unpleasant. That is why the last, ayah of this passage, this ruku, Ankar al-aswat al-aswatul hamir. Ankar. Ankar is from munkar. The most unpleasant voice is the voice of the braying of ass. So anka, this is munkar. This is not pleased, which is not pleasant, with which you are not pleased, which you don't like. So actually, this is a vote of confidence for the human nature, that we have a confidence in human nature. Human nature likes good and dislikes evil. Maybe he is committing something evil, but even then, his own conscience would be telling him that you are doing something wrong. You ought not to do it. You shouldn't have done it. Because human nature, the conscience, the zamir that we have within us, which Quran says, An-nafsul lawwama. Even, if you are doing something wrong, you are telling lie, and you say, why, I have to do it. Because there's no alternative with me. I have to go for this thing. Although I know it's bad, it's not correct, it's haram, I'm doing it. But still, your heart pricks you, your conscience pricks you, something within you is saying that you are doing something wrong. What does it mean? That human nature knows what is good, what is evil. Number two, human nature loves good and hates evil. The good is pleasant and acceptable to human nature, while evil is not acceptable. It is unpleasant to human nature.